Welcome back to the House of Cars 2024, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the new Mercedes E-Class 2024, a sedan that blends cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance. The E-Class has long been a benchmark in the luxury sedan segment, and the 2024 model continues to uphold this legacy with impressive updates. Let's dive into what makes the 2024 E-Class a standout choice. Sophisticated and modern design. The 2024 Mercedes E-Class features a sleek and sophisticated design that exudes elegance from every angle. The exterior showcases a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and refined lines that give it a modern yet timeless look. The aerodynamic shape and stylish alloy wheels enhance its visual appeal, making it a head-turner on the road. Whether parked or in motion, the E-Class commands attention with its poised and polished presence. Luxurious and tech-forward interior. Step inside the 2024 E-Class, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and tech-forward interior that epitomizes Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including fine leather, wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The spacious interior ensures that both the driver and passengers enjoy a first-class experience. At the heart of the E-Class's interior is the advanced Bux infotainment system, featuring a large dual-screen setup that includes a digital instrument cluster and a touch-screen display. Advanced safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority in the 2024 E-Class, which comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features. The Mercedes-Benz Intelligent Drive System includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The innovative Drive Pilot system offers Level 3 semi-autonomous driving capabilities, allowing for hands-free driving in certain conditions. Dynamic and efficient performance. The 2024 E-Class offers a range of powerful and efficient engine options to suit your driving preferences. The lineup includes a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, a 3.0-liter inline-6 with EcoBoost mild hybrid technology, and the high-performance AMG variant for those seeking thrilling acceleration and dynamic handling. Pricing. The Mercedes E-Class 2024 is priced competitively within the luxury sedan segment. The base model starts at around $55,000, with higher trims and additional options pushing the price upwards. This range offers flexibility for those looking to customize their E-Class to their specific needs and preferences, making it accessible to a wide range of luxury car buyers. Final thoughts. The Mercedes E-Class 2024 continues to set the standard in the luxury sedan market with its sophisticated design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and impressive performance. It's a car that combines elegance, comfort, and innovation, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a premium driving experience. Thank you for tuning into the House of Cars 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Mercedes E-Class 2024. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.